Yeah, we still eat.
Now, okay, now that's
Yeah, no.
The first one, the honey company, the first honey company should be women. And also having a 70% female cohort, right? Like, yeah, female-led companies is really important to have also.
You're gonna steal that picture?
no, there's no. That's why it's only good news. Only good news. Only good news. It's bad news. It's bad news. But there's a place where one is there. But when as always, your girl's face is always looking so sweaty. Oh my goodness. So anyways, out to dinner with the investment crew. Super cute, right by the water. Okay, Abidjan is giving. Abidjan is giving what it's supposed to give. I love this.
Really good.
Remind me.
Africa Justice.
This is extra sensitive. Yes.
Écoute, tiens la chanson là de travailler, il faut travailler.
Underestimate the impact that me as a founder, being a woman Congolese, the impact that that has had. I mean, my team at the leadership level is really mostly women. My dad is a co-founder. He's the only male at that level. And the rest of the team that's more in the leadership role, I'm really trying my best to attract the best talent in the DRC and give a bit more priority to women. And this is not an angry feminist brand. This is just pure data. And the reality is, statistically speaking, for women like me to succeed in a market like DRC, it is 100 times harder. So imagine a local Congolese woman that's never even been exposed to the Western economy. It's even worse for her. So for me, the impact that I've had is just me being me. Like, I'm able to just show some of these women, if I can do it, so can you. Like, it's not as hard. It's hard, but it's not as impossible as you think it is. And for me, that's been the most impactful thing. And even having the male counterparts that either work for me, governments, to interact with me, to see that they give me that level of respect, I'm hoping that translates to how they interact with other women. And to me, that's been pretty powerful.
Oh, that's huge.
S'il te plaît, il doit aller. Okay, so second last day, officially last day though in terms of the training program, but somehow it feels shorter today because we finished earlier, but really cool. Jam-packed morning. We did a couple like interviews on video, which tests like your storytelling skills. And then after that, you go through like financials and assessments. And so one thing I'm trying to do when I travel is always trying to be in touch with friends that have lived in these countries, especially Ivory Coast, in the African ecosystem, that have lived in these countries. If they can put me in touch with investors, with people, or just go on LinkedIn and I cold contact people. Hey, want to grab coffee? This is what I'm doing in Congo. And I just hope for the best. And so right now we're heading out to meet a potential investor. Even if it doesn't go well, meeting investors, it's like dating. Like, sometimes your skills is dusty. Like, you gotta get better at this thing. So that's how I see meeting investors. If they write a check, great. If they don't write a check, I learned something new. Okay.
Contributor award is runner-up is Annie. So it's between Cindy and Oili. The winner of the Active Contributor Award is drum roll.
GPS signal lost.
Noemi Mawaka!
What's from your mom or your dad's side? Your mom is your dad.
Morning. Oh, lost my voice. Anyways, second last day in Abidjan. I'm gonna go check out a coffee shop. It looks super cute. It's called like Cafe Continent. And then I have a family friend coming to pick me up later to show me the city. So let's go, guys.
L'autre, c'est en 6 mois, ils font plus de matière.
Ah, d'accord.
6 mois, ils font la gestion en cuisine et la nutrition.
Ah, d'accord.
Parce qu'on a un partenariat aussi avec le...
The Lord is good to me. I was able to find another flight. Sadly, it's with Ethiopian Airlines. Which means, believe it or not, in terms of service, Ethiopia is actually the best one. My first option was A-Sky, which is ghetto as hell. But unfortunately means that literally, this is the thing with traveling in Africa that's a pain in the ass. I'm in West Africa right now. I have to go north, which is Ethiopia, stay overnight, and Ethiopia Airline has a pattern lately of putting people in the ghetto hotels during layover. So I'm going to like the Radisson or something. And then tomorrow I'm in Kinshasa. So better than nothing. I'm still on the continent. So let's see. Morning, I'm back to Kinshasa, heading to the office. It is now 7:30. Shockingly, today traffic is not that bad. I left the house at 6:50. So anyways, well, we're at Kitambo now. I'm by the construction site that were like damaged and broken because they were built on water. Insane. So if this is one of your houses that your family built, I'm so sorry. Anyways, heading to the office. Meetings after meetings today. I'm already tired and I'm hungry. So I've had a friend, I'm gonna keep his name anonymous.
And give us throughout the week, so we can help and kind of set up the foundation, right? Program overview. So this is the moment as well.
Yeah. So it's not like have like a whole bunch of nail salons. It's just gonna be. So always looking for opportunities in DRC. Yeah, reach out to check out this new real estate property in the Kingaba area. I love Kingaba. It's very industrial and I just love the vibe. But this is like a new concession. It's kind of ghetto so far, but let's see. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a prime example of how Noemi has horrible listening skills. Turns out, I actually imported a tractor for my farm. So we're here to check it out. And now we got to put on the transport all the way to Bandundu. Not the real estate. You know what? I need to wake up. So let me just film a YouTube ship. Okay, perfect. Okay, so tomorrow we are doing an expo for Congolese agriculture. So we're just at the Affaires étrangères, which is like the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, where the conference is gonna be. That way we see the setup, how we're gonna position everything, and then, yeah, it's exciting, it's pretty cool. It's pretty fancy, Jenny.
Faire tout ces allers-retours. Moi, je me fais faire ça, je me mets comme ça. Ouais, genre, moi, je soulève ce mien. C'est lourd. C'est lourd.
Ce frais-là, and then that's it. Donc, elle se retrouve dans le frais de sponsor qui couvre la moitié de cet argent-là. Long ass day at work today. Finished packing some jars. I'm gonna take my team out to dinner just to thank them for their hard work. Look at my edges, looking all ghetto. Okay, heading back for burgers down from Kinshasa because where else? Attention donc un beau frère, hein? Ici, vous n'avez pas des jus pressés, hein? Non. En tout cas, moi je sais déjà ce que j'ai envie de commander. Vous êtes prête? Morning, beautiful people. Me looking all crusty. Anyways, the agriculture conference of DRC, they called us to do like a little expo. This country loves conferences and expos. Full transparency, we had to pay $200 to participate. Let's see how much sales we make. I will be transparent with you all. I don't think it's gonna give that many sales. I have a theory, Congolese governments throw events to just steal people's money. That same energy could be put towards event planning, you know, as a private business. But these people just want to be in government. You didn't hear from me. Anyways, it's so good to be here. It gives myself an opportunity for public speaking, engage with people, really promote our product. So it makes me happy. I'm just here to help out. And then in a couple minutes, I'll leave because I can't stand government events. Et ça, niveau désolé, map et RDC, je suis pas très forte. C'est à quel niveau? Guys, back to my office. Just wrapped up 2 hours of catching up on content, catching up on email. I still do consultancy in global health on the side. So there's a consultancy project that I need to wrap it up because it's very quick and short. But yeah, so taking a little quick break, I'm going to go to Rigini. Haven't been to that area in a minute. My friend Olga just opened a nail salon. We love to support businesses, okay? And especially in the Black economy. So I'm gonna go check it out, see what's up, and then I'm back in the office and to the expo. I am tired and I need to get these braids out. But anyways, let's go. There she is, future boss babe, Tugs. Anything. Oh my gosh, I love this. We are in the middle. This is not even the bachelor tea, girl. You are so